computer. Today's topic is deletion of a node at a specified position, single linked list. Okay, so let's start with it. First of all, we will call the function delete node. Okay, after that, this first step, that is if start is equal to null. This statement means that it will check that whether our list is empty or not. If our list is empty and still we want to delete from the list, then it will give us the underflow condition. Okay, otherwise the rest statements will be executed. Now set temp is equal to start. That means we will set one pointer which will help us to traverse our entire list, help us to visit all the nodes of our list. Okay, so here I have assumed one list having 3 nodes, and here temp is assigned to start first of all. Okay, that means here what is happening is that temp is storing the address. That means temp is equal to start holds the address of our first node. So temp is pointing to the first node whose address is 1000. Okay, after that read position. This statement we will give one input, that from which particular position we want to delete the node. So here I have assumed that I want to delete from the second position. So read position is equal to 2. Okay, then here next statement is call count node. Call count node, this will give us the number of nodes in our, it will return the number of nodes in our list. This count node is explained in the elongated way in my previous video. You can go through it. The link is given in the description box. Okay, then the position is greater, it will check that whether the position is greater than count or position is 0. That means here suppose I will set here position as 4. Then here what will happen? It will return the number of count as number of nodes as 3. So 4 is greater than 3. Then definitely it will give invalid position. No. After that, suppose I give input position as 0. Then 0 also it will give invalid position. Okay. After that it will, suppose I want to delete from the first position. Then what here? Set start is equal to start next. That means this start will point to the next node. Start next, that means start next is holding the address of second node, that is 2000. So after this step, that is start is equal to start next, this start will no more point to the node having 1000 address, but it will point to the node whose address is 2000. Okay, then deallocate temp, then this temp will be deallocated. So this will become deletion from the beginning. It's also explained in the complete way in the previous video. You can go through it. The link is given in the description box. Okay, then else. Now this is the main case. Here suppose I want to delete s from the second position. I will set I is equal to 1. Here I set I is equal to 1. Okay, then while loop. While I less than position, that means 1 less than 2. This condition is true, so it will enter inside the loop. This condition becomes true, so it will enter inside the loop. Okay, now we will set one more variable, that is save. Save is equal to temp. So here save, now at present temp is pointing to the node whose address is 1000. So it will save will store the address 1000. Then this statement is executed. After that set temp is equal to temp next. Then this temp will now set to next, that is the node whose address is 2000. Okay, after that, so this statement is executed. Then set I is equal to I plus 1. So now I will be incremented by 1 position, and now I will be 2. Okay, again the while loop. So again this is executed. Now this statement is executed. See, so again the while loop it will check, that is again it will check, that is 2. Now 2 less than 2. Now this condition becomes false. So what will happen? It will come, now the while loop will stop executing and the while loop will be ended. Okay, after that we will set ptr is one more pointer we will take. Let's say ptr is equal to temp next. Temp is now presently pointing to the node whose address is 2000. So now this PTR we will set at next, that means temp next is what, 3000. So this PTR will be the pointer to the next node of the temp, that means next after that is the 3000 it will point. Okay, after that now save is pointing to 1000. Okay, so save next is equal to PTR. So this save after, so this is executed, PTR is equal to temp next, this is executed, then save is equal to save next is equal to PTR. So it will no more point 2000, it will point now store the address of 3000. Okay, save next PTR, that means PTR is the node whose address is 3000, is pointing to the node whose address is 3000. So save next is equal to PTR, save is at 1000. So save next it will store the address of PTR, that means it will point to the node whose address is 3000. It will no more point to the node whose address is 2000, that is temp. Okay, now this is all set. So now this is also executed. Now deallocate temp. Now this temp will be deallocated. Okay, so now completed. This is end if and then exit. So see, now here this is the list after the deletion of the node from the second position. The third node becomes second and the first is first only. The second node is deleted. In our original list there were 3 nodes, and after deletion from the second specified position, now we have 2 nodes in our list. Okay, so this is all about the deletion of a node at a specified position. I hope you enjoyed it, and in future I'll be coming with more conceptual videos. Till then, stay gold, stay safe, and please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.
But we don't talk anymore.